Yo, Hondo, what's popping, y'all? These heads, y'all. Anyways, we finna go and drop these things off at this car place.
I don't know if it's this store.
Let's go. Got some presents for you.
Just lay them down there by that box. You want to?
Right here.
Yeah, that'd be fine.
Boys and toys, huh?
Yeah.
You want to close this? I got one more head for y'all. Or can I leave it open?
Yeah, you know.
You gotta get one more head, y'all.
Okay, I can't. I'm trying to keep up. He walking too goddamn quick.
Man, it's a workout right here. It's a workout. So you can do so much with these 350s and shit, man. That's all it is. Heads. Just let me know when they're done.
Are they Vortex?
No, they're lt1s.
LT1s? Yeah. Let me get your name from you.
What up, gang? You know, they was pretty much the dude on the left. He was pretty cool. The dude on the right, he was trying to crack jokes and stuff like that. I thought it was pretty funny though. But at the end of the day, you know, you always got them dickheads and stuff like that. But the older gentleman, he was definitely cool and down to earth and stuff like that. They definitely wasn't used to getting recorded and stuff like that. I can tell. But you know how that stuff goes.
Oh, we have it taken apart. It's just.
Yeah, I don't work on them. I don't take them apart or put them back.
Oh, we have it. The whole car's taken apart. Everything is. I think it's just the bottom end part.
That'll work on it.
What?
It's a part.
Yeah, if it's apart, I'll work on it.
Carry it in.
Oh, okay, so y'all do work on it.
I'll work on everything.
Shit, sounds good to me. Okay, that's my number.
All right, now what we're going to do, Tom?
It's just a valve job because I seen some oil that was leaking into these ports and stuff like that, and it was blowing smoke out through it. And I had a problem with the right head. Who was it? Passenger side head. Yeah. So I just figured I'd take both of them off and get them redone.
Let's see. Okay. These late model heads are notorious about crack. Okay. Well, I'll make the folks a meeting.
I mean, it ran good. I mean, it ran good. I just think it was a head gasket. But I mean, you mastered that. So.
That's it. Yeah, it's a Vortex.
Oh, it was Vortex?
Yeah.
What?
See,
On the
this
LT1?
here, this doesn't go all the way through. Same difference, yeah.
Oh, okay. So you can put them pretty much on a Vortex 350?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Never knew
But
that.
but I'll check it for cracks because they're bad about, and I'll do all that before I even do
All right,
anything.
sounds good.
All right.
Appreciate you.
All right.
Take it easy. Hey, check out the